Hey, this is Kevin from the Lincolnwood Library, and today we are going to do another slime experiment. And it is going to be based on a recipe that I found in this book. It's called Ultimate Slime. We have a couple copies on shelf, and I really like this book because it breaks it up into basic and beginner slime, and then intermediate slime, which we're going to do today. And then also has different activities and really breaks it up into nice categories. So it's great for a lot of different people that like making slime. So definitely check this out. It's called Ultimate Slime. I also used these DIY projects for slime as inspiration for this. So definitely take a look at these two books if you want more recipes, which we will not go over. So today I'm going to be using this one in particular, and it's going to be an intermediate slime. So if you've never made slime before, I would take a look at more basic recipes. But the good thing about this is that it really includes basic slime in the recipe. It's just adding some more ingredients. So it's going to be jiggly slime. And the main ingredient that is different about this is we are going to be using foaming hand soap. So we're going to go ahead and just get right into it. So you're going to start out with a cup or a bowl. It can be a clear bowl. And then we are going to start by adding our glue. And then I will tell you what happens next. Alright, so we poured our glue, and then we're going to add warm to hot water. You can see how much glue I poured in up to that kind of first line of the cup. This is just because I'm showing you guys this as an example. You can obviously add more or less. It really just kind of depends on how much slime you want. So then you really want warm to hot water. Not that much, really, just like 3/4 of a cup at the absolute most. Depends on how much slime. I'm using a little bit less because this is just kind of a sample size. And then you're going to use about 20 to 30% less foaming hand soap than you are water. So if you add half a cup of water, you're going to use about a 1/4 cup of foaming hand soap. So we're going to add that in now, and then we're going to stir it for quite a while. Alright, so we've added our hand soap and we are stirring like crazy. And I really want to emphasize that you need to stir because all the bubbles and all that stuff, it's going to take a little bit longer. For a while I was pretty unsure that it was going to work. But it eventually did once everything was mixed together. A couple other things, if you use colored hand soap, I guess the slime will kind of change color. So you don't really even need all that much food coloring, and it also smells really good. So then after that is all mixed, you're going to add a little bit of activator. And this book has an awesome chart which has the different amounts of activator that you want to use depending on what kind you choose and what kind of slime you're using. So I'm using liquid starch here. Because of the water and the soap, I'm going to use a little bit more than normal, so I'm going to start with like 2.5 cupfuls and then mix that up, and then we'll see what we get. Alright, so we are almost done, so we are still finishing up stirring. I ended up using about 3.5 capfuls, again because of the water and all the bubbles, and the end result is a pretty cool slime that you can, I don't know how well you can see it on camera, it's shaking quite a bit. It's a lot more jiggly than normal, and it's also really kind of bubbly and a cool texture, so I'd highly recommend that you guys check this out. Most of it is ingredients that you can find at home too, which is really cool. And definitely check out this book, Ultimate Slime. They have, again, this great activator chart, which I would definitely recommend using because people use different types of activators and different types of ingredients, and it accounts for all of that. So hopefully you guys check it out and enjoy making the slime.